One of our users has unfortunately lost the hard disk drive in a computer, and that's resulted in a loss of data. But what has been retained is a PDF file, and what I want to show here is that you can convert a PDF file into an image file. You can use your draw and raster image, insert the raster image. You can scale the image such that inquiries of this drawing now give back distances that are meaningful. So we're looking at a full-size design here. We've just got the PDF file behind us here, and what I'm doing is tracing over the top of the PDF image. Let's look at the layers. So what I've done is set up one layer which has got the image on it, and just for a moment I'll turn that image layer off, and absolutely nothing happens because I've not put the image layer, the image on its own layer. Now it's disappeared, and I think you can see that we're building up the base model of this design quite quickly by simply tracing over the top. So let's show how that's done, and we'll put the image layer back on. We'll zoom in here. Let's imagine that we want to put some, you'll notice that as I zoom in the image disappears. The resolution of the image of the PDF file is not super, but let me draw a line. So I'm drawing on the layer called trace, and I've set the color of that layer to red, so whatever I put on this layer will show quite easily. So if I draw line, I can go click, and I've got polar on, so this will be a vertical line, now a horizontal line, but I want it to join up with the line that's already there, so I'll just use the O snap. Then I might want to repeat a line, come over here and pick up, there's already a red line there, so I'll go nearest to and then come across here like so. So you can see how easy it is to build up the, it's not a nice job to do, but it gets you out of a spot. We can replace all of the figures easily, the text is not too difficult, but I'm not having to think about the design, I'm just copying. So now we want to put in these flexible lines, and you would draw those of course with a polyline, and we pick up a polyline. So we'd say we're going to start our polyline at the end of that red line that we just put in, and probably leave ortho on for the moment, sorry, polar on, and now take it off, and we continue our polyline around. You don't have to be terribly fussy, and then we perhaps come in perpendicular to that line there and enter. Once the polyline's been drawn, apply some curve fitting to it. So I hope you can see that I can trace the PDF file and get back to pretty much where I was.